The ayah came down, مَا كَانَ لِلنَّبِيِّ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن يَسْتَغْفِرُوا لِلْمُشْرِكِينَ وَلَوْ كَانُوا أُولِي قُرْبَى مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا تَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ أَنَّهُمْ أَصْحَابُ الْجَحِيمِ. It is not permissible for the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the believers, after it becomes clear to them that this person is a disbeliever and he died upon that way, that you ask forgiveness for that individual. It is not permissible. And then Allah reminds the believers, just so they may not say, what about Ibrahim, who said to his father, سَأَسْتَغْفِرَنَّ لَكَ, I will ask Allah's forgiveness for you. What about him? Then Allah responded by saying, وَمَا كَانَ اسْتِغْفَارُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ لِأَبِيهِ إِلَّا عَنْ مَوْعِظَةٍ وَعَدَهَا إِيَّاهُ فَلَمَّا تَبَيَّنَ لَهُ أَنَّهُ عَدُوٌّ لِلَّهِ تَبَرَّأَ مِنْهُ. Ibrahim, his forgiveness for his Lord was only a period of time. He was also told to stop it, and then he withheld from it. So asking forgiveness for them is not permissible.